Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look you see here. This is like a spring inspired makeup look. If you're needing some ideas or motivation on a makeup look for this season, this is the tutorial for you. I'm going to show you all the products I use and all the steps I took to achieve this look. So if you are interested in seeing how I got here, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I have a bunch of new videos coming out this month. And without further ado, let's just get started on the tutorial because I'm excited to show y'all. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is getting my face all moisturized and prepped for all the makeup I'm about to apply. So I'm going to just start out with my regular Pond's moisturizer and just go ahead and get that on my face because my skin feels a little bit dry right now. I'm also going to go ahead and start priming my skin for my makeup. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And right along with that, I'll be using this pore filler primer as well. If you watched my last video, you know I do like to layer these two. They work the best for me. Alright, so since I am doing a colorful springy time look, I want the colors on my lid to actually pop. So I'm going to be using the P. Louise Acid Rain Base to prime my lids, just so that I can have a very smooth, very even blank canvas so that these colors can shine, okay? Dab it on there and then I'll start blending it out. This is the Color for Days palette. I'm going to start out with the color Flush and we're going to go from there. We're going to go from there. I'm going to just put this kind of like on the edge and in my crease. And I'm using a Morphe M441 brush for this. I do want to deepen the color a little bit, so I'm going to use the color Bubblegum that's in the same palette and kind of go over what I just did, but kind of bring it down a little bit further, closer to my lash line. Yeah, that's what I want. Just keep dragging that color out. Just going to give like that winged look without having to actually do like a cut crease or anything. I'm going to take this Morphe M330 brush and start blending out the outer edges just to make sure everything is nice and seamless. So I want to add some shimmer to my lid, but I don't want to use like a full-on glitter. So I'm going to use this Beat by Dip Cosmetic highlighter. It is in the color Strawberry Icing. This stuff doesn't play. I used to love wearing this highlighter. I never did it as an eyeshadow though, but we finna see. So this is the highlighter. I think I want to go in like with a flat brush though, and maybe spray it with some setting spray. Lightly dip into here, and we're going to start pressing this on my lid. Just taking a spoolie just to brush off as much of that highlighter as I can, so that when I go and start putting on my foundation and everything, it's not like under and having me looking all glittery. I think I want to do like a pop of color on my lower lash line. So I'm thinking about using this color Sassy Grassy, which is in this palette as well. And I'm going to put that underneath. Maybe the True Blue and Sassy Grassy together, so I can get like a turquoise kind of look, because I don't have like an actual turquoise blue. So let's mix these, see. Alright, so before I go ahead and add lashes, I'm going to start with my skin first so I can get all that blending out the way with no lashes in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 210. This is the Dewy Smooth foundation. And gonna just put that right on the back of my hand like so. Go in with my foundation brush and just start applying. Then after I use my brush, I'm gonna use my makeup sponge to blend everything out seamlessly. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Creamy Concealer. This is in the color 22N. And I'm going to just go ahead and start highlighting on my high points. I'm going to set underneath my eyes with the Laura Mercier setting powder in the color Translucent. I'm going to use a powder puff and just start setting real quick. Go ahead and start contouring with my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to mix the two darker shades at the bottom to get my contour shade. Now with those same shades from that contour palette, I'm going to just start to contour out my nose. And I'm going to just dust away that excess powder on my nose and blend all the colors together. So now my face is done. I'm going to go ahead and set this, and then I'll be right back after I apply my lashes. Alright, so I have applied some lashes, and now I'm going to go ahead and finish off my lip, and we'll be pretty much done with this whole look. So I'm going to take a regular brown lip liner pencil and just start lining my lips. I'm going to take this gloss from Glossy Vault Cosmetics. This is in the shade Latte. And I'm going to go ahead and put that over that base. Then I'm going to go in with NYX Creme Brulee Butter Gloss and finish it off. Go back over it with that liner. Set one more time. And we are done. I love it. It's so colorful. It looks like spring. It's real cute. It's real flirty looking. I love the shimmer of the gold highlighter on my lids. Like, that really added that touch that it would have needed. Had I not done that, I don't think I would have liked it as much as I do. Thank y'all so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all might want to see next from me. I do have a bunch of ideas coming to y'all, so just stay tuned for that. Thank y'all so much again, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.